इसका उसका क्या होता है? कॉपी कॉपी होता है बस।
आपके घर से 4 बजे तक ना पहुंच फोन करवा छ घर पहुंचे 8 सवा 8 में बोले पहुंचे मैं भागलपुर में रुके थे बोले और नहीं चला गया गाँव चला गया 8 बजे। अरे भागलपुर में वह मार्केटिंग किया उसके बाद अपना
किताब कहाँ चल गया? अब तेरी क्या?
कल ले मना आ गया शाम तक नहीं तो कुछ नहीं।
किताब कौन गायब कर दिया यहाँ से? नहीं, घर लेके नहीं जाते हैं। किताब गायब कर दिया सर। फिजिक्स का किताब था। नीचे तो नहीं है। बैग गलती से अगर लेके भी गए तो बैग तो खोले भी नहीं। उनका है भाई। बस सर। अरे घर लेके जाते ही नहीं है हम किताब। घर लेके जाते ही नहीं है। नहीं नहीं थोड़ी ना नहीं है। बस this many people only 8। क्या बात है? सेवन एट वीडियो लिंक नहीं है क्या? वन थ्री एट फोर। क्या हो रहा है? बाकी सब कहाँ गया? हेलो, हो कि नहीं हो?
यस सर।
यस सर। बाकी सब कहाँ गया रे आज?
पता
आज
नहीं
क्या
सर।
पता नहीं।
पता नहीं
आज
सर।
तो आज क्या पढ़ना है? मेरा किताब नहीं मिल रहा। टॉपिक बताओ, आज क्या पढ़ना है?
सर आज तो क्वेश्चन आंसर।
अच्छा, क्वेश्चन आंसर करना है। और क्वेश्चन आंसर तो बिना किताब का होगा नहीं रे। तो आज तो होगा नहीं क्वेश्चन आंसर। आज तो क्वेश्चन आंसर होगा नहीं। देखते हैं कहीं से किताब मिल जाए। एक सेकंड। देखिए पहुंचा दो ना बाबा। हाँ मिल गया, किताब मिल गया। चलो तब तो आज हो जाएगा। कहाँ गया बोर्ड खोलते हैं। So today we have only 10 participants, सिर्फ 10 जन है ना, सिर्फ 10 जन। कोई बात नहीं, शेयर करते हैं स्क्रीन। ये उसी का है, मेरा नहीं है। वही थोड़ा सा बच गया था ना रे। हेलो सब हो, थोड़ा सा बच गया था ना ये वाला लास्ट वाला सेक्शन।
सर ये वाला
एनर्जी,
सोशल सिग्निफिकेंस वाला।
हाँ सोशल सिग्निफिकेंस बचा हुआ था ना। सो सोशल
यस सर भूल
सिग्निफिकेंस, एनर्जी प्रॉब्लम एंड सोशल सिग्निफिकेंस। सोशल सिग्निफिकेंस का मतलब क्या है कि हम लोग जब एनर्जी वेस्ट करते हैं तो, या एनर्जी सेव करते हैं तो कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम लोग उसको वेस्ट होने से रोक सकते हैं, ये सारा चीज के बारे में डिस्कस किया हुआ है। तो कैसे करते हैं या वेस्ट कैसे करते हैं। वेस्ट जैसे मान के चलो, most of the time what happens, we are watching TV, we have the fans on and ACs on. In most of the houses nowadays they have ACs. So when we leave the room, we don't switch off the fans, we don't switch off the cooling system, isn't it? अच्छा जा रहा है 10 मिनट में तो आ ही जाएंगे, but for that 10 minutes the fan, the AC is running alone without any use. So this may be treated as energy wastage. For example, one more example, you may have seen many people, they put on the lights. Those are outside their houses to glow, lit up the road in front of them, or to lit up the yard, lawn in front of the house. And when in the morning, next day morning, they forget to switch off the light, isn't it? So the whole day the light keeps on glowing, electrical lamps. So that is wastage of energy. So let me just check it out whether what is that. Village do not have electricity. Now social significance, what is there? Due to this wastage of energies, due to this kind of wastage of energy, many people are barred from getting the energies. Many people doesn't get the energy. Those who actually require them, they are not getting them because we are misusing, we are wasting energies. So this is one of the social significance, or we can say that is the drawback of awareness among us. What happens? We waste energy in different forms, not only in one form. I gave you two simple examples. We use it in various other forms. For example, we put on the water heaters or geysers for a longer time, and then we put cold water in it, mixed cold water. So actually we are wasting. How much heat is needed, how much hot water you need. You just heat the water up to that temperature, but we rise the temperature of the water very high, then we pour cold water in it for bathing, for washing clothes, for washing dishes in cold season or some winter season only. So that is also wastage of energy. This way, what happens if you waste energy? So actually what happens, some other people, needy people, those who actually need energies, they are not getting. So how can we save them? How can we use the energy efficiently and wisely? Those are discussed over here. We must also save kerosene oil by lowering the wick of the lantern. Nowadays, we don't use those lantern, isn't it? We don't use lantern. We use this candle. If anyhow our houses are, we don't have electricity for a longer duration in the evening, we use candles. केरोसिन वाला लैंटर्न तो खत्म ही हो गया. Okay, save petrol and diesel. That is another option. Now you can see many people, those who are traveling through vehicles, there is huge jam. They keep their engine on. The vehicle engine was running, and they are staying and standing for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or sometimes even more. That is actually wastage. It is been said in the ads also nowadays, if it takes more than 1 minute stay in jam or somewhere else, you put off the engine, switch off the engine. So you save a bit of fuel, a bit of fuel. We should use the public transport and trains rather than scooters and cars. Yeah, we should use public transport rather than scooters and cars. Now, this is not always possible, although many of us are status concerned. कार पटना जाना है, ट्रेन में जाएंगे, धक्का मुक्की कौन करता है? We have the feeling. We have our own car, our driver. Driver गाड़ी निकालो. But you are actually wasting a huge amount of energy. The time taken is almost the same by train and by your personal car to reach Patna. And you are using your own vehicle. So we need to think, we need to act wisely. For short distance, we can walk or use bicycle. Yeah. For short distance, we can walk or use bicycle. But all people cannot walk. Like me, I cannot walk a lot. If I have to go to the market, I cannot go walking. I need a bicycle at least. And cycling is also good for health. So this way, we can use a large amount of energy, and that energy can be supplied to the needy persons. There are many people, many people, those actually need energies. It is unfortunate for us that we are not able to control many natural resources of energy in our country. For examples are given. Twice a day, huge tide strikes the shores of our ocean. This large amount of energy is released. Energy is also released by earthquakes and cyclones in a very large amount. Earthquakes are caused by movements within the Earth's interior. A lot of energy is released in such movements. Now, what is happening? What is actually trying to explain is we are wasting a lot of amount of energy those we can get for free. The tidal energy. Now, what is tidal energy? Cultivating the energy those are informed by the tides or waves of ocean. And a huge amount of energy can be collected from them. Huge amount of energy. Then there are also been cyclones. I'm not talking about cyclones, but we can at least cultivate the wind energy. Like somewhere in Gujarat, I don't know the particular name of the place in Gujarat, there is wind farm. Now what is wind farm? Wind farm is the place where wind energy is used by many machines, means windmills, to produce electrical energy. We can control the development method to make use of forces of tides, cyclones, earthquakes. We can use this natural happening to produce energy for us. Yeah, those are true. But initial cost of setting up is high. Those wind energy, the ocean energy, the tidal energy, the solar energy, initial cost of setting up or the equipments or to cultivate these kinds of energy is little high. So most of us keep away from those energies, but those are totally free. Those energies cannot be, no one will charge you for those energies. Okay, now let us do the question answers now. Okay, exercise is there. In the exercise, first question is my MCQ. So all of you are ready with your pen and pencil and paper?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So question number A. We are going to write the, yeah, please don't disturb whoever have the microphone on. Can you please switch it off? जिसका भी microphone on है उसको off कर लो. Okay. So first one, the unit of work is Joule. That is option B. फोन रे मना कर रहे हैं ना, बोल रहे हैं ना कि माइक्रोफोन ऑफ कर लो. क्या जरूरत है माइक्रोफोन का? और नहीं तो फिर हम सबको म्यूट कर देंगे, फिर परेशान हो जाओगे जब बात करनी होगी, है ना. म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को, जब जरूरत होगा खोल लेना, बताएंगे. हाँ, कुछ गलत अगर हम आंसर लिखा रहे हैं तो जरूर बताना. ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी इज जूल अगेन, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए. Question number 3. Burning of coal is an example of conversion of energy, chemical to light and heat. Burning of coal, chemical to light and heat. ये कौन है भाई? इंतखाब आलम है क्या? देख लेते हैं 7A में. ऐसे कोई तो है नहीं. इंतखाब आलम, आयुष भारती इज देयर, सुमन कुमार इज देयर. ये दोनों को अंदर कर लेते हैं. Now question number 4. What is that? Splitting of uranium nucleus releases nuclear energy. Option C. Now number 5. What is that? The ultimate source of all energy is sun. Option C again. Question number 6. The work is said to be done if a force apply. A force is applied which brings about motion. या a body moves, दोनों ही हो सकता है. A force is applied which brings about motion. Option B ही better है. 7. Okay. Now question number 7. What is that? A fast wind can turn the blades of a windmill because it possesses kinetic energy. Number B. 8. When a stone is thrown upward to a certain height, it possesses पोटेंशियल एनर्जी जब हाइट पे पहुंच जाता है तब क्या होता है उसमें पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होता है। ऑप्शन ए काइनेटिक एनर्जी, विंड एनर्जी, साउंड एनर्जी नहीं, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। नंबर 9, a bullet fired from a gun possesses kinetic energy. Option B. Question number 10. Solar cookers are used to cook our food in artificial satellite, converting light to electricity in drying clothes and other materials. Obviously, option A, solar cookers. Okay, हो गया। तब आते हैं नेक्स्ट पेज। नेक्स्ट पेज में क्या दिया हुआ? क्वेश्चन नंबर बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर बी का 1, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Wind is a dash fuel.
रिन्यूएबल
हाँ, रिन्यूएबल हो सक, रिन्यूएबल ही होगा। इट इज रिन्यूएबल बट fuel. Some people are waiting outside. Let them wait. Their network connection are slow. Renewable. Okay. Renewable. Number 2. Cooking gas is a fossil fuel. Or we can even write non-renewable. हम लोग नॉन रिन्यूएबल भी लिख सकते हैं। नॉन रिन्यूएबल, दोनों में से कोई भी लिख दो, आई डोंट माइंड। The torch cell is a source of electrical energy, is a source of chemical energy. Chemical energy. Number 4. A kite, the hydel power station, the dash energy of dash is used. The energy of dash is used. Of water. Energy of water is used. Number 5. Let them be outside. They are late. Number 5. In kite flying, a kite flying in air has potential energy. Number 6. The electric bulb converts dash energy to dash energy. Electrical.
Sir, it is number 7.
Oh, it is number 7. Okay. Number 6. Energy is the dash of a body to do work. Capacity. Capacity. Number 7. The electric bulb converts dash energy into dash. Electrical and into light. Question number 8. Gobar gas is obtained from waste. Cow dung. Gobar gas is obtained from waste. यही तो खुद ही complete है sentence. Wood has dash energy stored in it. Chemical. And number 10. The SI unit of energy is क्या? Now comes question number C. The 1. True, false. Whenever a force is applied on a body, mechanical work is done on it. Hmm. Whenever a force is applied on a body, mechanical work is done on it. Is it true? No. If the body doesn't move, in that case, we cannot say work is done. So if only the force is applied, there may not be any work done, isn't it? So I write it false. If anyone says it is true, then it may be true also, because the question is not properly or clearly explained, defined. Work done is independent of the magnitude of force. It is false again. Work done depends upon the magnitude of force. Then question number 3. If a body lifted above the ground, its energy increases. Yes, it is true. Number 4. A body possesses energy, is capable of doing work. It is true. Number 5. The water of flowing river has potential energy. No, it is kinetic energy. It is false. It is false. Flowing water possesses for kinetic energy. Question number D. Question number D. Sorry. Question D. का 1. ठीक है. अब 1 के बगल में जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है उसको लिखेंगे. To switch on or off an electric fan. The launch of rocket with a chemical energy. Rubbing your palm together quickly, heat energy. A tin can filled with water, potential energy. The ringing of your bell, sound energy. तो अरे बस एक ऑप्शन ज्यादा है. So first one is electrical energy. First one is electrical energy. Second, the launching of rocket, chemical energy. Yes, sir. Launching of rocket. Which type of energy is used?
Chemical energy, heat energy, mechanical energy.
Can we clearly certify it as only chemical energy? Match the following. Match the following. Match the kinetic energy भी बच रहा है, chemical energy भी है, heat energy भी है, मगर हमको लग रहा है chemical energy best suit हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Chemical energy. Write it chemical energy.
Chemical होगा.
Chemical. Rubbing your palm together quickly, heat energy. Number 4. A tin can filled with water, potential energy. Number 5. The ringing of school bell, sound energy. Okay. Now come questions number E. E का 1. बाबा E का 1 का भी A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Name the type of energy possessed by the following object. है ना 1 का A. 1A. A suitcase kept on head. Potential. B. A football moving on the playground. काइनेटिक, नंबर सी a stretch string potential, number D a compressed spring potential, number E a bird flying in the sky. इसमें दोनों एनर्जी होता है, पोटेंशियल भी है काइनेटिक भी है, तो इसीलिए हम लोग लिखेंगे मैकेनिकल। ठीक है, ओके। अभी पहले अटेंडेंस लेंगे, नेक्स्ट डे वी विल कंप्लीट द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। ओके, आज और नहीं होगा, टाइम नहीं है, ओनली सम 6 or 7 minutes left. So if you had finished copying, then I'll take the attendance. Do it fast. Yeah, did you complete it? नहीं।
Yes, sir.
ओके, हम इधर से ले लेते हैं, इधर रख के हम लेंगे। So first one today, I think Rajiv Kumar. Today is 3rd of August. First is Rajiv Kumar, then Amaya Anand, then Akansha Bharti Richa, then we have Atik Ansari, then Isha Arya, उसके बाद है कुमार आलोक, कुमारी कोमल प्रिया, अबू समर, then नीलेश राज, उसके बाद राजनंदिनी, उसके बाद है रौनक प्रियदर्शी, ऋतिक कुमार, सेविन जॉनी, then we have Shipra Singh, के बाद है शुभम कुमार, उसके बाद है सौम्या प्रियदर्शिनी, and the last one is Sumit Kumar. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। Yeah, one left already. Okay, that's all for today. Do anybody have any doubt or anything you want to discuss in today's class? किसी को कोई डाउट है, कुछ डिस्कस करना चाहते हो तो बोलो। नो, या अमया, अनम्यूट एंड टॉक। अमया, once again, louder.
I have not got the MSc syllabus.
MSc, बेटा, there is no MSc exam this session. इस बार MSc का एग्जाम नहीं होगा फर्स्ट टर्म में, समझ में आया?
Okay.
तो एक चैप्टर, एक सब्जेक्ट से तो छुटकारा मिला सबको, बिकॉज MSc book, we have two different books, and we had failed to compile both the books together to conduct the exam. So there will be no MSc exam in your first term. Understood, Amaya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anybody else have any other doubt? No. Okay, then. Get prepared for the next class and have a nice day.